Hello, this screencast is dealing with the Intel Educator website and the connection that it makes to project-based learning. And we're going to talk about the assessments that are on this website. So right now we're on the assessing projects, but we're going to go into this link here on a teacher workspace. And then from here it tells us about our current active projects for seeing reason projects, visual ranking projects, showing evidence projects, and assessment library. And you can just click on a new project for each one of these categories. But what we're going to focus on today are different rubrics and assessments that are made through the library that we can change or use right from the format being used. Go to add or edit assessments. Now the great thing about this is your personal library for my assessments and then the assessment library. It'll take us down to each one and we can modify to make sure it works for our project. So we have thinking skills, products, common core, performances, processes, and print publications. Based off of the project that I'm doing, I'm testing or assessing thinking skills. So we're going to go down to problem solving. Open up this folder. And I'm going to focus on data collection and interpretation because the idea of this project is for students to collect data to see which type of rehabilitation works best for individuals who are suffering from addiction. So the data collection and interpretation comes up, and it has keywords for data and drawing conclusions. Instructions: use this rubric to assess students as they create products using data. So since they'll be creating data, this would be good for me to use on a scale of 1 to 4, and I can also leave comments as well. So as I've done before, I would right click on here, copy the assessment, and then once I would copy the assessment, it comes into my assessments up here. Now I have commitment to critical thinking checklist, benefits of different treatment options, data collection. Since I've created this one, I would click on this, and then I can also edit the assessment. And from here I can change the title, the instructions for what students are to use, which grade level it's for, so I'll make this 9 through 12. We're going to put this down for it's a health class, so we're going to do any, and it's for problem solving. And I have each one of these categories here. I can add a new row if I would like to, and then you can just save as. This is the title that I want. This is the title that I created from before. I click save, and you would continue doing this. Now I'm here for new. I want to find another one. I can go to personal library or search libraries and go back to search, and it would take me to my type of assessments that I would want. If I want to go to the personal library, it's going to take us back to what we were in before. I can close problem solving, and maybe I want to do critical thinking now and find a category in critical thinking. Drawing conclusions from data rubric. So if I want students to now draw a conclusion based off the data they found, I can click on this assessment, and it has making predictions, linking cause and effect. By making the link, they're using good reasoning strategies to identify cause and effect from the data they collected. So in order for them to come up with these causes and effects, they would have to use the data from other assessments. This might be another one that I would be interested in. Thank you for watching the screencast, and I hope it was beneficial.